Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can dress up as a flower pot on Dress to Impress. So you'll need the cupcake outfit, which is right here. I did make myself green and I did add on this simple makeup, custom makeup. I might delete the blush actually. I like it with it. There we go. Maybe add in some contour. I'm like changing my mind as I go, so sorry. Maybe this color. Alright. So for the cupcake, we will make the first one the color of like I don't know, maybe like a terracotta color. I don't really know the color, like the proper one, but I'm just going to choose this. Then for the soil, obviously we're going to use brown. Just going to make it a little bit darker. And I'm just going to color the rest the same, like so. For the hair, I think I'm just going to use this one. But you can use any kind that you'd like. Let me see, where is it? Where? Oh, here it is. And maybe add some more to it. Like maybe these braids. Okay. Whoops. Sorry. And then we are going to use the flower item, obviously. And let's just color it in first. You can use any color you want, but I'm just trying to like match it with the makeup as best as I can. Maybe something like that. And we will need more flowers, so I'm just going to get the flower crown here. Oh wait, that's not the one that I want. Did they remove it? Where did the flower crown go? I don't know, but I can't see it. Did they remove it? Well, I guess we're going to have to go with this one because I cannot find... Oh, okay, no spikes. So I guess they only have one flower crown now instead of having like a lot. Maybe something like that. And I'm going to add another flower to this. It seems excessive, I know, but like I want as many flowers I can put on my head. Will this even show? Because there are some flowers now. Okay. Well, like a little bit, but it looks kind of weird there. So once you're done, you're just going to do the villain pose in the K-pop section. And that is it. That's how you can become a flower pot on Dress to Impress. You can add more stuff like ruffles to like your arms here. You can't really see it that much actually. Maybe use some other sleeves, but let me see if I can maybe use these instead. I don't know, color green or whatever color you want, maybe pink. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Let me just pose out here so maybe I can blend with the bushes. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.